Hello for everyone, my name is Edwin Garcia and today I want to talk about the most relevant aspects of unit number 2. So we basically have 4 articles. Number 1, we have Salvino 2014 with his test about improving writing literacy through digital gaming. And for him, composition continually evolves as new technologies emerge and newer generations transform digital literacies. We have to determine what engages students in the games they play and then find ways to have them engage in the writing processes with a similar motivation. For Jones, 2017, in exploring classroom microblogs to improve writing of middle school students, he mentioned that students will need the prior experience with technology tools to learn the skills necessary to function appropriately within today's working world. The researchers developed 4 frames for writing: insight writing, responsive writing, purposeful writing, and social action writing. For Lee, 2013, he proposed an article that reports the results of a study concerning the type of test and their features produced by students after using mobile technology as a support to improve the development of the students' writing skills in a second language. Robles, 2016, in his test Mobile Learning to Improve Writing in ESL Teaching, mentioned recent trends of error analysis that seems to be focused on studying learners' output. Learners' writing samples are used for identifying errors which are classified based on grammar categories of features. The data used for this research is a collection of English sentences created by junior high school students. The grammatical categories that the tool provides are selected in order to assist the learners to improve their English skills. And all of them agree that those research are made in order to improve the writing skills in foreign language teaching with ICTS. Thank you very much.